Welcome to SEOconspiracy.com. Today, let's talk about SEO optimized content. Because I'm all about links. Links is the blood of the web. And I always point out anchor text, okay? Anchor text on links. I didn't say backlinks, I did links. Internal linking is a hidden treasure. Do it right. Apply the topical mesh on the page, around the page inside the website, and around the page outside the website. Now, should you go... Should you go... Come on, horse. She doesn't know what to do. There's nothing to it. Come on, go. Should you be aware of what's going on with content? Yes, of course. We got two main levers in SEO. We got links, okay? I dare anyone to prove me wrong about the power of links. Anchor text on links, so they go together. Most powerful SEO asset you can imagine. If you play the game of links right, you win, period. I forgot to add the third type of link, which is the vote of trust by humans. It's not just traffic, it's just not just dwell time, it's engagement, it's retention, it's, Google and search engine, social network, social media, analyze very well what you do on the web, on the internet. Come on, let's find you some grass. I gotta do everything here. Let's find you some grass. See, horse can do it by itself usually, but come on, go eat. There you go. She got it. Now we can talk. So yeah, the power of links. My strategy of the topical mesh is really built upon the power of links and the relationships between words, between pages, between topics, who is in relation to what and why, and when, and how, okay? But the other lever we have, besides links, is content. There are a gazillion things I can talk to you about, especially branding. I come from branding, over 2 decades of experience in SEO and 3 decades of experience in branding. I'm not going to deny that you should build a brand. Now, the big mistake is to believe that branding is a domain thing. No. Google interprets the web page by page. So you should apply your strategy of branding on a page level, macro branding. Now, if you have a brand, most likely your homepage is gonna be very powerful, but that's all you got. Imagine apple.com without any internal linking, without any backlinks, just URLs uploaded on the server. Do you think Apple is gonna rank for iPhone or iPad? I don't think so, except the homepage. So now, technical SEO. like I always say, it's a buy-in. You can't suck at technical SEO. But do you need to be super good, super fast, super core web vitals and all that? It's not bullshit. It's just do your work, do your job. That shouldn't be a challenge to put together a website that's fast, easy to navigate, and all that good stuff. But that's just doing your job. You won't get anywhere with just technical SEO. And the horrible truth about content is that when I first started SEO in 2004, I heard that, build a website for users and the rest will follow. That's what I heard when I first started. Since a nerd, a geek, a hacker, well, I was like, okay, no, you are an algorithm, Google. You're stupid, you're a robot, you don't understand what you read. I'm a human, I have a brain. I'm gonna figure it out. And I did. It took me 3 months. It was a SEO contest, 24/7, no sleep, no blinking an eye, just doing SEO for 3 months, negative SEO included, SEO contest, no rules. And I got it, I figured it out. I knew how and what to feed Google. But again, I come from branding. So the hacker side of me versus the machine, fighting against Google, served me well. Made millions. Had an amazing career. Couldn't be more grateful of how well I fought against the machine. But just, she found some grass over there. Good, happy horse. Is she gonna roll over in the snow with my saddle? We'll see. But today, SEOs complain. SEOs complain, spend more time complaining than working. You gotta do the work. We know how does Google work. SEO is 100% a mechanical process. I really don't understand this whole core update fear. Every single core update is telling me, yes, you're doing great. Things are going well. You're doing better. You're right. And I'm not the only one who is right. It's just the voice of those who are doing crap and not getting any Google love is louder than the happy ones who just, yeah, it's all good. Oh, good. It is really. If you have clarity in your SEO strategy, then it comes down to, yeah, press the button SEO. Done that, been there, sure. The shortcuts are getting shorter. Okay, now let's get to content. Stop right now producing text for Google. My recipe for On Page SEO, which is part of the course, the Topical Rush, of course, please, I invite you to get the course or to hire me as a consultant. That's what I'm here for. But I want to give you for free the On Page SEO checklist, just to remind you that first, it hasn't changed much in decades. I added a couple of things. Structured data, for example, very important today. So we didn't have those. My first keynote on structured data was 2013, SMX Paris. And yeah, it's about time everybody goes into structured data, schema.org. Extremely important. Why? Because a robot is stupid. What's the first name? What's the city? So if you tag city Paris, oh, you help the robot understand what is that word. What is that mathematical entity you wrote? Is it Paris Hilton? Is it Paris the city? Is it Paris Texas? Which is also a city. Paris, France. I guess you understood from my accent. How is the horse doing? Good? All right. Let's go. So, yeah, chill. Right for humans. What I heard the first time I got into SEO. It's about time we stop producing that tasteless, useless food for search engines. Those thousands of words, nobody cares. It sucks. It's interesting. I can't take it anymore. Especially with the rise of AI and programmatic SEO. Well, programmatic SEO is just a new term for spam indexing. And I know what I'm talking about, okay? I've been automating content since 2004. For the old schools out there, Yahoo Pipes, RSS feeds. I even built my own search engine on RSS feeds because before Bing, it was called MSN, and every query had a RSS feed. So, yeah, built a bunch of search engines like that before getting into more serious search engines. But my big advice is, remember where we come from. Back then, we didn't care about content. It was title tag and links, period. Moreover, it was title tag and backlinks. It's when I came around, why do I say I? Because historically, yeah, before I sorted out the mess that happened with internal linking, especially blogs, WordPress, e-commerce, mega menus. But all that was in French in 2012. And my strategy became #1 in France. But it's, for most people, it's limited to internal linking. Well, the topical mesh is not really just about internal linking. It's a complete strategy from A to Z. And a lot of the same algorithms apply on the page, around the page inside the website, and around the page outside the website. Let's concentrate SEO on page in the first 500 words, max. Stop this nonsense. Every topic must be addressed with different, it doesn't make sense that the average should be 2,000 words. It doesn't make sense that because the #1 on Google has 10,000 words, well, I'm going to make 20,000. It's nonsense. Stop that, please. It's not the way it works. You have to be good at the beginning, right at the beginning. My game of the mystery word, I want the entire world to play my game of the mystery word because that makes sense. It's easy, yes, if you know how to play the game of the mystery word and then you use amazing tools, especially in France. We have the most advanced semantic SEO tools. Well, you will be better. If you ask AI to play the game of the mystery word, you will be better. I have that prompt. If you subscribe to the newsletter on Topical Mesh or SEO Conspiracy, you will get the On Page SEO checklist, and I'm also gonna throw in another email the prompt to play the game of the mystery word. And then thirdly, I also have a custom GPT for ChatGPT to build clusters, build on my principles of the topical mesh. So 3 free gifts. And then, please, go buy the course. I give everything for free. I no BS, 100% deliver performance. But the course is, I'm very proud of it. It's really like from A to Z, step by step, take you on the topical mesh journey. But really, my resounding voice today is to stop this nonsense with optimizing content because you stink of SEO. Chill. Just do it at the beginning and back off with the rest of the content. That's really how it should be done. Today, the strategy, if you want to play the game of SEO, is really about seduction. It's really about trust. Look it. How can I just let my horse go? It's not running away. Depends on the days. Sometimes she feels she's a little bit funny, to the least. Okay. Oh. Yeah. And hey. The game of SEO today must be played with a little bit of finesse. It's about seducing Google. And trust me, I've been fighting. Okay, we gotta untie this. I've been fighting Google for decades. I had the mindset of I'm gonna hack you until I win, and I did. But today, I really think that we should play a game of seduction, and it's also gonna go through seducing the users, humans. It's about time we stop sucking at content. It's about time that we start to make content that matters. It's about time that we stop talking to search engines. It's about time we start talking to humans. Yes, storytelling, copywriting, horse, the nose in the powder. Yeah, it works so well when, especially with AI, in my opinion, it's not a battle of human written content versus AI. It's about how humans augmented by AI produce better content. We can improve content. I make better content with AI. Now, you want to go into this whole like programmatic SEO, full automation, full AI. I get it. Very appealing. I can't blame you because been there, done that for decades. I'm just telling you that it's not a shortcut. If you think for 1 second that it's easy money and you won't have to spend a lot of time, it's press the button. SEO, it's backwards, because if you think automation first without knowing what you want to achieve, you're gonna spend so much time on useless shit. First, figure it out. First, learn the craft. learn the topical mesh, suffer writing some pages, and lots of them. And then you will know the end goal, you will know what you want to achieve, and you can automate. That's how it works. Don't do it backwards. Trust me. If you don't trust me, well, listen to more skillful and wealthier entrepreneurs, and they will tell you exactly the same thing. You're doing backwards if you want to automate first, without knowing the end goal, without knowing how to elegance is simplicity and less is more. The two most important mindsets behind my strategy. So less is more, yes. We can achieve a lot more by pushing a lot less, being smarter about how we push when I say push, is those SEO levers, okay? Okay, no, this is not good. There's barbed wire on the ground. So, okay, I'm on my way home now. Gotta go. But remember that SEO optimized content is about chill. Stop the insanity. Don't overdo it. At the beginning, you must be very good at playing my game of the mystery word, 3-4 sentences, and then do the title tag, SEO optimization checklist, first 500 words, and then be really good about engagement, retention, storytelling, copywriting. Yeah. Let's make SEO simple again. I wish you well. Thank you. SEO Conspiracy out.